Riding lawn mowers, tractors, whatever you want to call them. Guys, I got some links up here in the information button for you, as well as at the end of this video, I got some clickable thumbnails there for you too, on other videos that I've done on ride-on lawnmowers that you might be interested in. So stay tuned to the end of the video for that. I jumped on my riding lawnmower this morning, and every time I went to engage those blades, the engine died. I'm going to tell you today what was wrong with it and how ridiculously easy this was for me to fix. Guys and girls, welcome back to Steve Small Engine Saloon. There's my website, stevesmallenginesaloon.com. Check that out when you get a chance. So yeah, I went out there, and every time I engaged my blades, the engine would stall out. Just so you can see what I mean by that, check this out. I already did a clip. So that happened, and I was like sitting there going, come on, what now, right? What now? So I sat there for approximately about a half of a beer or so, and I thought to myself, you know what? This thing is acting exactly like as if the riding lawnmower thinks that I'm not sitting on it. There's 3 safety switches that are on most riding lawnmowers out there. There's a safety switch that's on your engagement lever itself up by the steering wheel. And then there's also a safety switch on your brake pedal, on your foot pedal. And there's also one under your seat. The one under your seat is a safety switch right there, so the mower senses if you're not sitting on it. So you can't lock your brake pedal down and get off the lawnmower, start your blades up and your blades are turning, because then you're off of the lawnmower and you can get your fingers under there and cut your fingers off. That's why the seat switch is there, to stop that from happening. So I thought, okay, this is exactly like as if I'm not sitting on this. I think there might be something wrong with that seat switch. So I flipped the seat up so I could see the seat switch. And the connection where you plug that wiring harness onto the seat switch didn't look quite like it was clicked into place. It looked like it was coming off of a little bit. And so I unplugged it, and I wanted to make sure there was no dirt or debris in there. I unplugged it and plugged it back in again and made sure it was clicked all the way back into place. Jumped back on the thing, and guess what? Here's what happened. I was so ecstatically happy when I realized that was the only problem. That seat switch, just maybe after a couple years of vibrating, it came unconnected a little bit, where the lawnmower thought I wasn't sitting on the seat. What an easy fix that was. Guys, I hope you really liked this video. Give me that thumbs up button. Give me that like button right there. Subscribe to my channel. Put some comments down underneath here. Tell me what you thought of it. Share it with your friends. Now, guess what? I get to go finish the other half of my beer now and relax. Steve out.